thought I put some Oh, hey, how y'all doing? Y'all caught me dicking around in the shed. What's that? I got mail. I fixed it. Well, run that intro and I'll get the king. Welcome to Blue Bike and Doors channel as we do a mail call. Well, hello. How you doing? Stand up straight. Posture. Posture. So look like we got some mail. I'm guessing these are from Dream Big Production. And who is this? We got a letter from the Chestnut MTN Tinman. Oh, it's from the Chestnut Mountain Tin Man. He's he shortened mountain to abbreviation. What did he send me to this time? I bet he got new stickers. I don't know. Let's see. It looks like we got stickers pouring out. Oh, it's official. It's on YouTube letterhead. You can also find them on Instagram at Ron DVC. Ron DVC 40. Well, I know he ain't 40. DVC. And on Facebook at Ron Bridge Farmer. He farms bridges. Hey Doyle. The Blue Bike and Doyle. January 91. 2026. That's what it says. If you don't believe me, that's what it says. Right there. Look at that. January 9/1 2026. I'm sending you two of my new stickers. My new stickers from riding the back of the dragon with my name actually on it. And it done as a cartoon. Maybe it will make a mail call. Number 3. I don't know what number we up to. Maybe 4. You just missed it. This is postmarked from Atlanta on January 21st. And he wrote it on 9/1. Or maybe it's supposed to be 19th. I don't know. Yeah. Stay safe out there and truck safe. TCMT. The mountain ain't that them? Yeah, we'll get into that. That's the people that makes generic saddlebags and tour packs, ain't it? TCMT. Ron. So he's got himself back of the dragon. You need to go tail of the dragon. Oh, there it is, tail of the dragon. Nope, that's back. I think that's the tail. He's got a drone, and he's on Charlotte. Charlotte, yeah. Well, there it is. That's his official letter. Alright. Oh, he sent me a bunch. So, they all, let's see, Mountain Cheating Man. See, it was done as a cartoon with these. Huh. Okay. That one. Yeah, I thought maybe a hologram, but I think they all the same. Just the way the lights hit it, right? Or the paper. I see one that's real good. I see some defects. Like the defect is cut off the wing of the dragon. Sorry, I like this one better. It looks more the way the lights hit it. Or maybe it's my eyes. Anyway, hey. Yeah, just making sure I was recording. I have known to think I pushed the button and didn't. So let's get Rod up there. We'll put him right under twin cam. should have put him right there under that one. No, that's Jim Reynolds. He's got a track. Jim Reynolds. I thought, oh, there he is. That's the same picture. That is the same guy. See, let me get you over here where you can see. That picture is from VAM. He gave it to me at VAM. Right there. I believe that's the same picture. Anyway, that's good enough for me. Whew. Along. We got some from the Dream Big Production. He mailed this on January 21st. How about that? I don't know when I got it. Either got it last week or this week, because I went up there Friday. Did I go Friday? Thursday night I got it. And one of these was in there, and then last week was that one. These two. Anyway, one was 21st and one was 23rd. So first one is a Basset ham. I know what he is. That's a Winston. You know, a Basset. Oh, it's a parakeet postcard. It's not Sesame Street. It's a parakeet. Swallowed a bug. Anyway, a Basset ham, you're going to name him. Winston's a very good name. I would have called him Fred. You know who Fred is? Well, actually, Fred and... What was Roscoe P. Coltrane's Basset? Flash. It's all in here. Just locked in somewhere. Flash and Fred. See, who anybody else had a Basset ham they were with them? I don't remember. But I think Fred's probably more famous than Flash. Anyway, this is Basset ham number 321. You watch the Kennel Dog Show. He don't like known for accomplishments. And favorite thing to do is his favorite toy is the old bone. His favorite cheese and something. Who was it? I got mail. So this is something I ordered. I believe it's my... We'll get in that on the Dick and Randy in the Shed. Whoa, we was with Winston. Anyway, he's one of these wine dogs from St. Francis Winery in Santa Rosa, California. Yeah, Winston. This is a Donna. Donna is a bull mastiff from St. Superior Winery in Rufford, California. He's a bull master. His pet peeve is rain. And we got the same. I don't like rain either. Favorite food is chicken. I made chicken and dumplings. And toughest deed, eating something. Eating I can't. Spores. I don't know. Anyway. Oh, did I show you Donna? That don't look. I mean, I guess it could be a bull mastiff, but I thought they have shorter beaks, snouts. Anyway, we'll get them up sooner or later. I got a bunch of postcards to put up. What's in the box, you may ask? Well, stay tuned for Dick. It's fragile. It's fragile. Must be Italian. I get myself every time. You can go check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button right there and stay tuned. If you want to send me something, you know, everything, you know how to do it. Somebody like, share, and subscribe.